हमारे साइंटिस्टों ने माना है कि हम इंग्लिश को बहुत आसानी से सीख सकते हैं बिना किसी ग्रामर रूल की मदद के, सिर्फ बार बार अभ्यास कर कर, ठीक बच्चों की तरह जैसे वो बिना किसी रूल के इंग्लिश को सीखते हैं और बोलते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Once upon a time, there were two boys, an affluent child and a less privileged one. The rich kid incessantly pressured himself to excel academically, while the poor child effortlessly absorbed English by listening to it, much like how children learn their native language. His relaxed approach led him to grasp English fluently, and he secured a job without feeling the burden of pressure, unlike the rich child who constantly struggled and changed tutors. The poor child embraced learning with patience and joy. He understood that, unlike subjects with fixed formula, language acquisition required a more organic approach akin to the way Hindi evolves naturally in conversation. As time passed, the wealthy child remained stagnant, trapped in the cycle of pressure and expectations. On the other hand, the poor child flourished, effortlessly adapting to new challenges with his newfound language skills, and he very fluent in English. The story serves as a reminder of the power of patience in learning. By approaching English with ease and joy, the less privileged child not only mastered the language but also unlocked numerous opportunities. The title aims to attract readers by highlighting the transformative journey of learning English through a playful and stress free method. And this is a very good method if you are trying to with videos and stories. Thanks a lot for today's story. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Please do. In a quaint village, there lived a young girl named Maya who harbored a dream of mastering English. Despite initial doubts from her family and friends, Maya remained undeterred. She approached learning English with a positive mindset. Maya embraced various resources available to her, from book to online courses and even language exchange programs. Overwhelmed, she broke down her learning process into manageable steps, focusing on one aspect at a time. With each passing day, Maya's confidence grew as she began to understand English phrases and sentences. She practiced speaking with anyone willing to engage, from her neighbors to shopkeepers, gradually refining her pronunciation and fluency. One day, Maya stumbled upon an opportunity to participate in a local English speaking competition. Despite her initial nervousness, she decided to seize the chance to showcase her newfound skills. To her surprise, Maya delivered her speech with grace and clarity, earning applause and admiration from the audience. Maya's journey serves as a testament to the power of perseverance and determination in language learning. Through her consistent effort and positive attitude, she proved that mastering English is indeed possible and achievable for anyone willing to put in the effort. The titles aims to captivate readers by highlighting Maya's inspiring journeys of simplicity and success in learning English. Thanks for the today's story. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Please do it. Thanks a lot. In a small town, there was a boy named Ravi who was incredibly smart. He studied in a Hindi medium school and could solve big problems in no time. Despite his intelligence, Ravi struggled with English whenever he tried to work on professional projects or communicate with clients. Their fluent English would make him lose confidence. He knew the answer in Hindi but felt to speak up. For a long time, Ravi stayed silent in meetings and avoided speaking out. He felt inadequate compared to his English speaking peers. Even though He knew he could solve the problems they were facing. His self doubt grew, and he started believing that his lack of English skills made him less capable. One day, during an important project, the team encountered a complex problem. Despite their proficiency in English, none of the team members could find a solution. As the frustration grew, Ravi noticed the team's struggle. Gathering his courage, he decided to speak up, even if it was in Hindi. He explained his solution in Hindi, breaking down the problems and providing clear, actionable steps. To everyone's surprise, his solution was not only correct but also the most efficient. The team followed Ravi's advice and the problem was resolved quickly. This experience taught everyone an important lesson. Problem solving skills are more crucial than language proficiency. Ravi's success demonstrated that intelligence and the ability to solve problems are what truly matters. English, while important for communication, is not the only measure of capability to actively participate in meetings. Knowing that his ideas were valuable regardless of the language he used. This story of Ravi serves as an inspiring reminder that solving problems requires sharp thinking and creativity. Language should not be a barrier to contributing valuable solutions. Ravi's journey highlights the power of problem solving and the importance of believing in one's abilities. True intelligence transcends linguistic boundaries. Thanks. If you like the story, please like, comment, and share. This is my motivation. Please do it. Thanks. There was a man named Raj who struggled with speaking English. He knew that mastering English was essential for his career, but he found it challenging to learn. Unlike memorizing formulas for a subject, learning a language required practice and patience. Determined to improve, Raj made consistent efforts. Raj started by practicing every day. He watched English movies, read English books, and tried to speak with anyone who knew the language. He joined language classes and used online resources to enhance his vocabulary and grammar. Every conversation was a learning opportunity for him, and he didn't shy away from making mistakes. Initially, Raj felt frustrated. Progress was slow, and he often felt when he made errors. However, he reminded himself that learning a language is a gradual process, much like how children learn to speak by listening and practicing. With his mindset, Raj kept pushing forward. One day, after months of relentless practice, Raj noticed significant improvement. He could hold conversation more confidently and understand complex sentences. His hard work was paying off. Encouraged by his progress, he continued to refine his skills, aiming for fluency. Efforts led to a breakthrough. He became fluent in English, speaking it effortlessly. This newfound ability opened doors for him, and he applied for a position at a prestigious company. During the interview, Raj impressed the panel with his excellent communication skill and knowledge. Raj got the job, marking a significant milestone in his life. His journey from struggling with English to mastering it showed the power of perseverance and consistent effort. Raj's story highlights that learning a language is a continuous process that requires dedication, but with persistence, anyone can achieve fluency. The story of Raj serves as a motivational tale for those struggling with language learning. It underscores that with determination and consistent practice, overcoming language barriers is possible, leading to greater opportunity and success. Thanks a lot for today's story. If you like the story, Please like, comment and share. Please do it. Thanks a lot.